Hey guys, we're out here with Ezra and the CRF 100, the CRF 80, and the CRF 50, getting cleaned up for my cousins. They're on a Utah trip actually, so when they get back they're gonna be surprised that we've cleaned up their bikes because they're really dirty. We're working on it though, we're getting there. And yeah, we're gonna go through, tune them up. Or we've already done the 80, so the 80's carb is clean, air filter's good. We actually need to wash it because we did it last night. It was raining yesterday, but so we've already got the 100 washed up and the 50 is washed up, and now we're using some. Show me that spray. What's this stuff called? Ultra Glow silicone spray. Yeah, some good, really good stuff. It really like makes the plastics shine. I'd recommend it. But yeah, just a quick update. I'm not dead, y'all. I'm not dead. I'm still here. I'm sorry. I've just been so busy right now all summer. The last video I posted was some XR80 with a 100 engine in it. I'm very sorry, but look, I'll be back soon. All right, I'll be back soon. Drop a like on the video, and I'll see y'all next time.